Hello friends, my name is Gaurish and you are watching my channel. So today I am going to talk about OnePlus 60. So not wasting any time, let's start the video. Firstly, talk about its screen. This phone has 6.4 inches screen with 1080x2340 pixels. Next, talk about its processor. It has octa-core 2.88 GHz. Next, talk about its battery. It has 3500 mAh battery. Now, this phone comes in only single color, that is black. This phone runs on Android 9.0. This phone has 16 megapixel rear camera. This phone has many features like face unlock, fingerprint sensor, navigation and compass. This phone has face and fingerprint sensor on its screen. This phone has 6GB RAM with 64GB internal storage. The expected price of this phone is 79,000. This phone will be available in India on October 2018.
Told you, there's a cooler way to unlock your phone. The new OnePlus 60 is I want this. Click on Notify Me on Amazon.in to know more.
So, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit like button. Thank you.